What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to essentially delete WhatsApp contact here on your WhatsApp. Okay, this is a very simple process, quick tutorial just to showcase it to you. But if you find my content useful, do not forget, consider subscribing and like the video. It really helps me out. Now there we go, I do have an iPhone in here, but if you do have an Android phone, that will work for you as well, so no problem at all. Now first things first, let's hop into WhatsApp real quick. For example, here I am having a conversation in here with a friend of mine, and the very first thing you want to do, of course, is to hop in here into the contact at the top. Next up, what we're going to do here is simply tap on edit at the top right corner, and then you do have here an option which says delete contact. All you want to do is tap on delete contact and tap once again on delete contact to delete that specific contact. Now let me discard the changes because I won't be deleting his contact right now. But once you're done deleting the contact, ensure that you also delete the chat by tapping on more and then simply tapping on delete chat. Now if you do have an Android device, you would need to press and hold that contact in order to get the option to delete the chat. Alternatively, you can also delete from phone in here by simply tapping on phone and then simply searching for that specific contact. Tap on it once, and then here we go, we do have edit at the top right corner. Scroll down, delete contact will be right there. Now when you delete from contacts manually here, this will essentially delete the phone number from your phone as well as from WhatsApp, right? While if you do it from WhatsApp, that will only delete the contact from WhatsApp itself. Now last but not least, I would always recommend you to turn off your phone and turn it back on as soon as you're done deleting a contact, just to refresh your phone by simply restarting. Press and hold the volume down along with the power button, release it, slide to power it off, and then turn your phone back on. On Android, process is similar, just turn it off by pressing and holding the power button and then turn it back on so your contacts refresh and that contact quickly disappears from your contact list. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.